Hello everybody, or as I always say on YouTube, hi guys. This recipe is absolutely delicious. The noodle sauce has a creamy yet mildly spicy flavour. The tahini really transforms the mundane tasting udon noodles into a richly flavoured yet simple Asian meal. We will start with the beef marinade. The ingredients are mixed together in a small bowl, then poured onto the beef and left to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I've got my Breaking Bad apron on today, so I must be cooking up something special. Mix together brown sugar, two tablespoonfuls of soy sauce, two tablespoons of sesame oil, $60 milliliters of water, mix all the ingredients together and make sure that the sugar is fully dissolved. Then pour the marinade sauce onto the beef cubes. Cover all the meat with the marinade sauce, then leave to soak for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, while the meat is marinating, mix all the ingredients together for the noodle sauce. Add 2 tablespoonfuls of soft brown sugar, two tablespoons of sesame oil, two tablespoons of soy sauce, add 4 tablespoons of tahini sauce. Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds. You should stir the tahini well because the sesame seed husks sink to the bottom of the jar and stick there in clumps. Add the sugar, add the garlic clove, add the 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, a half teaspoon of chili powder, and then add 30 milliliters of water. Blend all the ingredients together. This sauce is now ready to go onto the noodles. These are udon noodles from Japan. Udon noodles means wheat noodles. Boil a pan of water and drop the noodles in for 10 minutes and no more. Once cooked, the noodles must be drained and then put in a bowl. Add the sauce, using a fork, gently toss the noodles to cover them with the sauce. Then heat some oil in a frying pan. Then add the beef cubes. Heat for 2 minutes on a high heat and then on a medium heat for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Prepare a plate with a bed of noodles ready to receive the beef cubes. Then garnish with sesame seeds for extra flavour. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos including the world's sickest game.